I love this type of day because it's like no pressure to do anything and I can just kind of chill out. And I feel like that's kind of when you make the best stuff, because I feel like you just have no pressure on yourself or whatever. Make a couple beats, maybe play a bit of FIFA or something in the background, listen to some other music, like just get inspired and take my time. Just got back, time to cook up. I really just like notch this frequency out. So it's around like 330 hertz, which is like a really kind of like muddy area usually. And you can see how much weight it took out of the signal. So I guess like some light EQ, if you do it in the right spot, it can do a lot. And I wanted to kind of put like a multi-band compression on it, but I didn't really like want to smother that kind of like weight. I want a bit more clarity out of this. That's kind of why I just like notched it out before I added the compression.